If you're a Kansas City homeowner and you need some type of water drainage system, KC Pier has multiple options for you. If you are a homeowner that finds water in your basement or crawl space and you want to be able to make that area dry, there are multiple techniques that we use at KC Pier that can guarantee that for a lifetime. Or if you want to take a less expensive approach, you can actually take a look at trying to attack the problem from where the problem exists, which is on the outside of the home, and that can come with a drainage system that can be installed. Many people might call that a French drain or a directionary drain or some type of gravel drain, but ultimately what we do at KC Pier for people that want to take this approach to try to redirect the water before it hits the foundation is we will take a look at the source of the water to see where it ultimately comes from and where the water is being pushed outside your home. And then from that point, we will create a coverage area or a drainage plan and then install that drainage system on the outside of the home to help try to keep the water away from even getting to the foundation in the first place. That is a very affordable approach versus other approaches that we can talk about later that actually have drain systems dug into the concrete in the basement of the home as a water management system. But before that expense, many people want to try a drainage system or a French drain on the outside of the home. So if you have a water problem in your basement, or if you're concerned about water approaching the foundation of the home and you want to get a plan together to help move that water away from the home, call KC Pier. We'll go ahead and come out, we'll assess the issue, and we can create a plan that will have multiple options built into it so you as a homeowner can kind of pick and choose how you want to handle that water. But all the resolutions that we will suggest will get the water away from the home and hopefully keep it out of the basement in a very affordable manner.